How to remove a repost on TikTok. Here's how. First, open the TikTok app. Now, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the reposts icon to view all the videos you've reposted. Select the video that you want to remove from your reposts. Once the video starts playing, tap the share icon on the right side of the screen. Scroll through the options and tap Delete Repost. You'll see a confirmation message saying deleted. That's it. The video has now been removed from your reposts and will no longer appear in your repost section. If you don't see the Reposts tab or the Delete Repost option, make sure you're using the latest version of the TikTok app, as the layout may vary slightly between versions. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android and TikTok tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.